Ultimate TCG is a store that stocks everything TCG related. Whether that be Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic or Digimon, you name it, they've got it. Head over to their website and use the code TCHIT505 to get 5% off your order. Have you been looking for your new favourite playmat? Well, Cho Sugoi is the place to be. Whether it be customised playmats, memory tokens or anything else, they have everything you will need to play the game and more. Even better, when checking out, if you use our discount code TEAMCRITHIT, you can also get 5% off your order.
Hello everyone, back again with the weekly pack opening video, and today we have 4 Battle of Omni and 4 1.0. Let's get straight into them. Start with Battle of Omni. Okay. Black Gargamon, Marine Devimon, Mechanorimon, Triceramon, Paildramon, Gladimon, Ultimate Flare, Digimon, Shademon, Sea Greymon, Nokia and Hexablamon. Hexablamon's nice card, so is Nokia. Okay, going to 1.0. Okay. We get from 1.0 Pumpkinmon, Volcanicramon, Smash Potatoes, Uggamon Expert, Uggamon, Gomamon, Nuclear Laser, Megadramon, Wanyamamon, Slash Angemon, Tiger, Giga Blast. Okay, you can really get from set one. Alt Lilithmon. Obviously we want the Alt Omnimon. I don't know. Weedmon, Fagramon, Cubimon, Gesomon, Commandramon, Palmon, Rowdy Rocker, Revive from the Darkness, Digimon, Yokomon, Mega Digimon Fusion, and Terriermon Assistant. Okay. That goes to 1.0. Nothing really great so far. Oblivion Bird, Tumon, Tyrannomon, Gilmon, Repamon, Heart Attack, Vegemon, Darkmon, Tentamon, Tapiamon, Sumamon, and Mad Dog Fire. Okay, Battle of Omni. Could be something in here. Mori Shellmon, Starmons, Kursarimon, Taumon, Vagramon, Piximon, Meteor Shower, Sambamon, Gabumon, Sparrow Masquerade, Wiggarurumon, Sagittarius modes. Oh, an Armageddonmon, Alt-Art. Nice card. Not great, but it's an Alt-Art. Not too bad. Okay. Armadillomon, Heath Viper, Dark Tyrannomon, Susanamon, Seesawmon, Boring Storm, Metal Greymon, Nova Blast, Chiaromon, Devimon, Myotismon, Wargrowlmon, and Tycamere. Black Tamer. Susanamon on my mind there. Excited for BT7 apparently. Dorbikmon, Deramon, Black Galgamon, Marine Devimon, Starmons, Black Mac Galgamon, Demonic Disaster, Rosemon, Sunamon, Infamon, Wiselin, and Black War Greymon. And last pack, 1.0. Can we end with a holo? Something decent, I don't know. Toyogumon, Metal Tyrannomon, Infamon, Gravity Crush, Garurumon, Dimension Scissor, Tsukaimon, Spider Shooter, Kurosarimon, Boltmon, Yamon, and Pathamon. Yeah, not too great. Not as good as last week, of course. But not too bad for a couple of packs. Yeah. Yeah. See you guys same time next week. Bye.
Crit Hit Game Hub is the largest gaming store in Liverpool and stocks all things games. From card games to D&D to Warhammer, whatever game you play, they have a place for you. Also, using our code CritHitDigiTeam, you can also get 10% off your order.